Meaning of graceful.
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 Graceful. The term graceful typically refers to a person or object that possesses poise, elegance, and beauty in movement or appearance. A graceful person may move with fluidity and ease, while an object with graceful lines may appear aesthetically pleasing. This attribute is often associated with a sense of inner harmony and balance, as well as a certain level of refinement or sophistication. Overall, being graceful can connote a sense of effortless charm and natural grace, which adds an appealing quality to whatever it describes.